Using edible flowers and organic vegetables from the garden elevates your cooking to a higher level. Today's recipe is salad from the garden with gluten-free waffles. What we need for the waffles is 5 eggs, whisked well, with half a cup of milk, half a cup of melted butter, 1 cup of almond flour, and 1 cup of spelt flour, which is an ancient flour. Add half a teaspoon of baking powder and vanilla extract and bake in a waffle machine till lightly browned. Grill your red peppers on both sides and assemble the vegetables of your preference. I added fennel, nasturtium flowers, and violets. Sprinkle with goat cheese. Add pecans and prepare the sauce by adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of pomegranate, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix well, then add 1 teaspoon of salt and black pepper. Add the sauce to your salad and enjoy this fresh salad from your garden.